I want y'all to go. And I love you. Have a great day. Go ahead. We're going to jump over in David's live. Because my live is ending. And we're going to go jump in David's right here. And you're going to say Love Ray from JC Owens. Yep. How about that one? Is that a good one? Is that a good one? That's a real good one. Because we like David. David is a nice sweetheart. For real. He's a great...
Good day, Queen. What's up? What's up? Didn't make me feel. Yeah, good day, good day. How are your day going so far? I don't know live, so don't start no shopping. Thank you. Right. I don't know live, so don't start no shopping. Thank you. Right. I don't know live, so don't start no shopping. Thank you. Right. I want to make you feel everyone in the room. Could you go and wash all that pot cover, please?
Don't start nothing in my life. Don't start anything in my life.
So I remember. Yep, I do. Not too much. Along the way, yeah. What about you, Queen? Can't forget your past, so dry your tears, I say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. I just have one less than you then. Granny Lucas. Australian, what's up? I see Granny Lucas died, boss. May she rest in peace. No woman no cry. Can you hear me? You can hear me now? You still in hearing me? La mère started over then.